Hey, Cal. Ready for a rematch later?
Yeah, anytime.
Sounds good. On your way to training?
Always.
All right then. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Better get a move on, Cal. Jaro isn't a patient one. I heard we're getting new orders soon. Finally. I'm ready to be gone from this dump. You're in a rush.
Master Tapal's called me for training.
You got this, kid.
Master Tapal?
Padawan, it's time for instruction.
Yes, Master?
Reach our position. Do not keep me waiting.
Commander.
Focus. Were you concentrating, you would have anticipated this distraction. Better, Padawan. Join me.
We will begin with physical preparation. First, though, we have orders. Bracca is secure. We move out from Maigito shortly.
Yes!
You must...
Master, are you okay?
Something is...
No! What's happening? Why did the commander just...
Padawan, something terrible is happening. The clones have betrayed us. There are no answers to your questions. Not yet. We need to get off this ship. Quickly. Get to the escape pods. Use the maintenance halls. We trained for this. Do you remember?
Yes, Master. What about you?
I will create a distraction and meet you. If I am not there when you arrive, depart without me. I will find you on Bracca. Do you understand?
Yes, Master.
They're coming. I will seal the blast doors, but if any cross your path, do not hesitate. Go. And may the Force be with you. Go! Go!
There he is. Shoot to kill.
No, stop!
Tapal's on the move. We're gonna need backup.
I need to pull that to get through. This doesn't make any sense. What's going on?
Do we have eyes on the Jedi? No sign of the little one. Search everywhere. It can't have gone far. Air's off again. Wait, what's that noise? Hold this room. I'll search the area. Reporting casualties. Tapal has taken out multiple squads. Shoot on sight. Copy that.
I understand. What changed?
What was that? Someone's in the maintenance halls.
I think I'm near the turbo lift. Not much further after that.
I have eyes on the small Padawan. He's in the turbo lift.
this. Just need to keep moving.
Take him out! Let me go after him!
Padawan, your lightsaber!
Sorry, Master.
Keep climbing! I'll meet you up ahead! Just ahead. We must activate it if we're to escape.
Yes, Master.
We have to pull pin in the airlock. Send back up. Jaro Tapal is on the other side of that door? Yeah, but he won't be getting through. It's taken far too long to cut through these. What's that sound? Get ready!
Move, Padawan. We have to leave now. The door controls! Cal, hurry! Overloaded the ship's reactors. The explosion will mask our escape. This war is not over, my Padawan. Hold the line. Wait for the Jedi Council signal. Remember, trust only in the Force.
Yes, Master.